Hey friends, it's Rach with the Ponds Farmhouse, and I'm here today to share another fun, easy, inexpensive DIY project with you. Today I'm going to be making a fall leaf table runner for my Friendsgiving tablescape. Do you remember the leaves that I use for my fall wreath? Well, these are Dollar Tree burlap leaves, and I had a few left over, so I decided that I did not want to waste them, and I'm going to be using them on the table runner. If you're a waste not kind of gal like I am, and you love inexpensive, fun DIY projects and decorating ideas, then you're in the right place, and I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my thrifting and DIY adventures. But let me share with you how I'm going to be doing this. First of all, these leaves have a little stem attached to them, but look how easy they just pull right off. So that is no problem. So that's the first step, is we're going to remove the stems from all of the leaves. Then secondly, I picked up this really cute linen table runner at a thrift store for $3, and so it's going to be my base for my table runner. And then I'm going to be using some fabric fusion this is a permanent fabric glue, to attach the leaves to the table runner, to the existing table runner. Now, if you don't have an existing table runner that you can use, then I have a solution for you. I do a lot of crafts with drop cloth fabric, and I think it would be perfect for this project. This is just a little scrap of drop cloth, but what you would want is to purchase a drop cloth and then cut your table runner to the size that you would like for it to be. This one is about 14 inches wide, and that's pretty standard. So if you cut your strip about 14 inches wide, and then depending on how long your table is, you want it to almost be the full length of your table. And then if you don't sew to where you could take care of these raw edges, all you would have to do is just take a little bead of the fabric fusion along the edge of the raw edges of your table runner, or I should say drop cloth at this point, and then just fold those edges under with that fabric fusion in the middle of it. Tuck it under just like that, and then hold it until it's kind of in place, it kind of sets, and then you would have a no-sew table runner to begin attaching your fall leaves to. So that's an easy solution there. But now let's get started with this table runner. So I'm going to move the camera down to where you can kind of see what I'm doing as I go. One of the other things I just want to mention is you do want to protect underneath your table runner, because the fabric fusion can go all the way through to the surface underneath. I use craft paper on my table, but I'm also going to put a layer of wax paper in between, because the wax paper will just come right off if the glue accidentally seeps all the way through all the materials. So this is a good way to prevent it. So we're going to put this underneath the table runner, and then I'm going to just share with you real quickly how we're going to pull this together.